Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to search. Begin with a focused query combining topic, an author, or a year to narrow results immediately. Type exact phrases in quotes and use a minus sign to remove irrelevant topics. Once done, open advanced search to target title words, author names, publication, or year ranges. This saves time by filtering noise. Make sure to skim the first page for relevance and note recurring journals or authors to refine the next query quickly. Next, refine by sorting options and evaluate each entry for quality. Click Cited By to see influence and related articles to find similar work. As you scan abstracts, look for methods, sample size, and conclusions that match your needs. This tells you why a paper matters. If access is restricted, try the PDF link, institutional access, or search the author's page. Once you identify key papers, record citations, and export them to your reference manager to keep organized. Finally, save useful papers to My Library and export citations in BibTX or EndNote format so you can cite cleanly later. Set alerts for your search or specific authors to stay updated automatically, and organize folders by topic or project for quick retrieval. If you hit paywalls, don't stop. Try your institution's proxy, check preprint servers, or email the author for a copy. One tip: if results are too broad, add another specific keyword or restrict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.